Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will guide you through to process until utilizing season breaks and on TradingView. And before we get started, please remember like and subscribe to my channel button for updates with features content. And let's start. Your TradingView account, open on your browser PC or application and hit the setting, and which you can find by clicking the gear icon the top right corner. Alternatively, and can access to chart setting. Now that season breaks option may be hidden initially. To reveal, close the setting and click on the day icon and top left corner, then choose 15-minute duration. And now return to setting, and you should be the find season break option. It's still not visible. Then go to chart duration, even to 5 minutes if you necessary. You may be also locate the season break option within the appearance section and simply toggle it, and you're all set season break on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, for guys, like, share this video for more content.